Alright folks, same call as you can see. Well, you can get out of the sunlight. Has the cut down stall reed in it. Let y'all hear it for a second. Takes a little bit more air to blow that one for sure, but that's the sound that you'll get with the tuned as a cut down. Like I said, the true cut down, I put just a little bit more slope on the tone board there for a little bit deeper sound anyway. But if you want to try one, like I said, you can contact us through Facebook at Delta Duck Calls, or you can email us at deltaduckcalls@gmail.com.